Okay, so today we're working on solving, I can solve multi-step equations. The first one, it says solve. It has 4 times y minus 7 times y equals 21. Okay, always when we're solving equations, the goal is to isolate the variable. In this case, we're isolating y. Get y by itself. So there's two different y's here, two different terms with y in it, so we need to combine that. And these happen to be like terms because they both just have one y, so we're going to go 4 minus 7, and we get 3y equals 21. And now, this is 3 times y equals 21. Some of you guys might know that 3 times 7 is 21, so y equals 7. If you don't see that right away, then we always just do the opposite. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing both sides by 3. On the left side, we get y, and on the right side, we get 7. You should always check your answers. So I'm writing 4 instead of y, I'll put some brackets, minus 7 instead of y, I'll put some brackets, equals 21. Does it equal? And I'm putting in 7 for my x's. So 4 times 7 is 28. Oh, dear. 7 times 7 is 49. Does this equal 21? Well, it's not going to work out here, as you can see. It actually equals negative 21. And so that's not right. So then, because I've written my steps really nicely out, I go back up to my first question. It's 4 minus 7y. So I'm going back up and I'm seeing what step I messed up in, right? So 4 minus 7y equals not positive 3, it actually equals negative 3. So that was my mistake. So now I'm dividing both sides by negative 3. So I'm still doing that step, but it has to be divided by negative 3. And 21 divided by negative 3 is negative 7. So if I put in negative 7s, the first one becomes negative 28, and the second one becomes positive 49. So then we end up getting positive 21. And that does equal positive 21. So that's a really good example of how you should always check your answers, because that was just a very simple mistake that I had made. I just forgot a negative sign, but I wouldn't have got that answer correct. But I realized right away when I checked it that I got it wrong. And then, because I've written out my steps nice and clearly, I could go back and easily see where I had made my mistake. Okay, great. Thanks for watching.